Back and roll.
Oh yeah.
Oh shoot.
And here's some of these ones I haven't seen before. These 9 pounds each.
Yeah, well, we are in the year code.
Yeah, it's true.
Fast and Furious. Oh my God, look at this.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that one.
And then
That's cool. There's a lot of bikes.
a Porsche.
These are pretty cool. Kind of big for the 64 collection, but all different colors. Guess we got some Tech Deck stuff. These bikes are kind of cool, actually. It's on the back of this. It shows the different kinds. And Tigeroo in Belfast. They seem to like their bikes. Oh, there's a lot of bikes here on the racks. And some Fast and Furious stuff too. Oh, I think I've seen this before. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. I like that. Well, these are snug on the pegs, unlike anywhere else I've been. Just about all the same car.